Dear secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled Revision 3 on Units 7, 8 and 9. Lesson 4, Part A, Reading. Read the opinion essay, then answer the questions. Schools should spend more time teaching students about conservation. Do you agree or disagree? In my opinion, schools should spend more time teaching students about the importance of conservation. It is far easier to persuade people to get involved in new projects when they are children and teenagers than when they are adults. Learning about conservation at a young age may lead to a lifelong interest in it, which will be very beneficial for the environment. A further important benefit of spending a significant amount of time on the topic conservation in schools is that it shows students that their teachers and their schools see conservation as an important activity. Indeed, conservation will become increasingly important in the future as global temperatures continue to rise and there is even less of the rainforest left on Earth. The third and final benefit of teaching students about conservation is that they can develop useful skills and gain useful knowledge while they are doing this. They can't only learn about the biology of ecosystem, for example, but they can also develop practical skills for growing fruit and vegetables in an environmentally friendly way, and teamwork skills by doing these activities together. In conclusion, it is clear that teaching students about conservation can have a very positive effect on them. However, as I explained above, the most important benefit is that it will help students to develop a lifelong interest in conservation and give them the skills to protect the environment. Now let's answer the questions. Number 1, how many reasons does the essay give for teaching conservation? The answer, we have 3 reasons. The essay gives 3 reasons. Number 2, what is the most important reason? A further important benefit of spending a significant amount of time on the topic conservation in schools is that it shows students that their teachers and their school see conservation as an important activity. Number 3, why does the writer think conservation will become more important in the future? The answer, because global temperatures continue to rise and there is even less of the rainforest left on Earth. Part B, Writing. You are going to plan an opinion essay. The title of this essay is Young People Should Volunteer in Their Own Community Rather Than Traveling Abroad to Volunteer. Do you agree or disagree? Make notes. What's your opinion? Is it better for young people to volunteer in their community or volunteer abroad? The second note. The first reason why you believe this. The second reason why you believe this. The third reason why you believe this. Finish your conclusion by stating your point of view. Now we are going to write the essay. It's an opinion essay. In my opinion, it's better for young people to volunteer in their community, not abroad. The first reason is that volunteering in your community is easier than in other countries because you can communicate easily with people who are living with you. That's also because you know their needs, their language, and their social level. The second reason that makes me believe this is that volunteering in your community will help in developing your country and making it better in many fields. So it will attract people to come from all over the world to visit it. When your country looks beautiful and decorated, this will bring more tourists, so you will have a very good role in energizing tourism. I think the most important reason is that volunteering in your country can give you the chance to have a good job by gaining valuable experience and teaching some skills that you need in your life. Finally, I would like to say that there are many benefits that arise from volunteering in your country. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.